Welcome to 4718 Stoney Trace in Briar. This is in Tallahassee, 32309. You've got 0.93, almost a full acre of land on this property. Plenty of room for a pool. You've got some beautiful fiber cement siding and no wood exterior. Some gorgeous landscaping. Some beautiful architecture, stone accents, beautiful leaded glass door entry, foyer with formal living and dining room. This is the living room and your formal dining room with wainscoting and some nice lighting and tall windows. The kitchen has a small island, double ovens, gas range, and it flows into a breakfast room that has light from all sides, floor to ceiling windows leading out to a screened lanai. Granite countertops, hardwood floors in the family room and all living spaces. Brand new carpeting in the bedrooms, beautiful closets, plenty of lighting, 3 full bathrooms, double sink and tub shower combo. You have 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom, and then this bedroom up front has its own private bathroom with marble vanities. Again, nice beautiful windows, plenty of new carpeting and closet space. This is a split plan with an indoor laundry, and your master suite has an extra closet along with his and hers walk-ins and custom shelving. And then your primary bathroom has separate vanities, marble, with a dual shower head, glass enclosure with floor to ceiling tiles, jetted tub, and a separate water closet. This home is available and is open today, Sunday, June 26th, from noon to 4 p.m. It is 2674 square feet, built in 2006, and it is available for $525,000. There is plenty of room for a pool. You've got nice, beautiful wrought iron fencing and a private conservation area behind the house